a website that you can join and start making 1.75 cent, $1.75 per minute. Okay, this is per minute. All what you need to do is to perform a transcript on this website and start making money for yourself. Alright guys, in this particular training, I'm showing you guys how you can start making that $1 per minute for yourself by transcripting videos online. Okay, if you are based in the US, based in America, based in Canada, or in Africa, these three websites work for you. And then, if you are from Africa, I will not miss the last part of this video because the last website is the one that work best for Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, all those African countries. You need to watch the last video. Okay, so if you wanted to start making money for yourself by making $1